This 2013 Itasca Cambria 27K is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Cambria RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 29 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 2, auxiliary battery, skylight, water heater, TV antenna, stovetop burner, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, carbon monoxide detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features mid-kitchen. This 2013 Itasca Cambria 27K is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Cambria RV.